I will teach you part D, question number 1. Complete the following. So you have to fill the boxes. 2 upon 3. So 2 upon 3, here we have to make 2 upon 3. Then we have to make it 6. Denominator, you have to make it 6. So multiply it by 2. 3 2 ja 6. Okay. Then 6. It is equivalent fraction. Okay. These are equivalent fraction. By multiplying same number up and down. Okay. Then there will be no effect. It will be equivalent fraction. So it is 4 upon 6. Now 6. Here we will fill 4. Now we will see this first and third. 2 upon 3. And here 6 upon. So by which number must we multiply to 2 to get 6? By 3. Up then down also. 2 3 are 6, 3 3 are 9. Okay, and it is 9. Then first and fourth. Now 2 upon 3. Then we have to make numerator 8. So we will multiply it by 4. By 4. Then downside also by 4. 2 4 are 8. Already 3 4 are 12. So fill here 12. Now we will see first and last. 2 upon 3. It is 15. So to make it 15, we will multiply it by 5. Then up also by 5. 2 5s are 10. It is 10. Okay. Now we will do question number 2. E part, question number 1. Write each fraction in lower term. 3 upon 12. So by highest common factor, we can divide both numerator and denominator. Then we can simplify. First, we have to find the HCF. 3 4s are 12. So HCF equal to 3. So what to do here? 3 upon 12. By HCF we will divide up and down numerator and denominator. Then 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So this is the simplest form. Okay, dear student. Again I am telling 3 upon 12. So we will divide both by a common number. Highest common factor. We will divide. Okay, then 3 1s are 3 4s are. So 1 upon 4 is the in simplest form. Now 15 upon 25. Question number 3. Then find the HCF first. 25, 15, 1s are 15, 10, again 15 inside, 10 1s are 10, 5, 5 2s are 10, HCF equal to 5. So divide it by 5. Okay. 5 3s are 15, 5 5s are 25. Okay. Now this is the simplest form. Now question number 6. 12 upon 24. Okay. Now we have to find the HCF of 12 and 24. 24 inside, 12 outside. By 12 we will divide. 12 2s are 24. By which number? It will cancel fully. Then it is HCF. HCF equal to 12. HCF of 12 and 24 is 12. So by 12 we divide up and down. by 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. This is the simplest form of 12. Find the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5 with denominator 20. How will do? 3 upon 5, we have to make denominator 20, so we'll multiply it by 4. Okay, it is 20, 5 4s are 20, 3 4s are 12. Okay, now we have denominator 20. Now same question number 3, same question. 3 upon 5 with question number 2 we will see. With numerator 9. So 3 upon 5, to make it 9, multiply by 3, up and down. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. Okay, dear students. Now exercise 4.2, question number 8. Part A, reduce the lowest term. Question number 1, 5 upon 10 is divided by 5 is divided by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. This we have to fill. Okay. Then 3 part. Question number 3, 6 upon 12 divided by 6. Okay, so 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. Okay, now part B, reduce the lowest term by dividing the numerator and denominator by their common factor. 2 upon 10, there are two methods. First, by idea we will divide. This can be divided by 2. Okay, so see, divide both numerator and denominator by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. Now it cannot be divided more, it cannot be simplified more. Okay, it is in simplest form. Okay, this method, one method HCF1. See, by 2 will find the HCF of 2 and 10. So 2 5s are 10, by 2 it is divided fully. So HCF of 2 and 10 is equal to 2. So by HCF we have to divide. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Okay, then one more question, a part B, question number 3, part B, question number 3, 5 upon 10. So 5 divided by 5, because 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Okay, so 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. We can find by both method, but in this question B part only we have to reduce in lowest term by their common factor method. Okay, by dividing numerator and denominator by their common factors. Okay, so it is 14 upon 21. So divided by 7 up and down. Divided by 7 3s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are. Okay, by 7 you divide. 7 2s are 7 3s are. Then question number 8, 6 upon 6, 8 upon 16. 8 upon 16. Now divided by 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 8s are 16. Again by 2. Why? Because 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. Again by 2. Okay. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are. Okay. Then this is the simplest form. Now, question number 10. 10 upon 40. Then divide it by 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 20s are. Okay. Again by 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 4s are 20. This is the simplest form. Okay. Reduce to the lowest term by dividing numerator and denominator by their SCF. Question number 1. 42 upon 56. Now, dear student, we have to find the SCF of 42 and 56. How? 42 you write outside, 56 inside. 42 ones are 42. Then 4 1 4 42 inside. 42 3s are, sorry, 14 3s are 42. Then by 14 we divided exactly. Then SCF of 42 and 56 equal to 14. So 42 upon 56 divided by 14. 14, okay. 14 3s are 42. 14 4s are 56. Okay. Now we'll do third part means third question of this part. 25 upon 45. First we will find the SCF of 25 and 45. 25 ones are 25. Remainder 20. 20 inside you write 25. 20 ones are 20. 5 outside, 20 inside. 5 4s are 20. Then by 5 we can divide it exactly. So SCF of 25 and 45 is equal to 5. So by 5 we will divide numerator and denominator both. 5 5s are 25. 5 9s are 45. This is the answer. This is in